In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your shipping address on Vinted. By the end, you'll have your address updated so your orders arrive exactly where you want them and your account details stay consistent. I'll walk you through each click, explain what you'll see, and share a few quick tips to avoid common mistakes. First, open your browser and go to vinted.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your settings. You can follow along on desktop for the clearest view. The steps are similar in the mobile app, but the wording and layout may vary slightly. Once you're on Vinted, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This might show your profile photo or a generic user icon. A menu will appear with options related to your account. From that menu, click Settings. This is where Vinted keeps your account preferences and personal details. Take a moment to let the page load fully so all the tabs become available. Next, choose the Payments section. On Vinted, address details are often managed alongside payment and withdrawal information. Don't worry if this sounds unrelated to shipping for a moment. We're heading to the place where the platform stores your address information. Within Payments, find Withdrawal options and click Add Bank Account. Even if you're not planning to add a bank account right now, this path opens the area where your billing address is displayed and can be edited. That's the address we're going to update so it's correct for your future activity on Vinted. When you see billing address, click the address field. This will open the form where you can make changes. If an address list appears, choose the existing one to edit rather than creating duplicates. Now enter your new address carefully. Include the street name, house or apartment number, any unit or floor, the city, postal or zip code, and the correct region or country. Use standard abbreviations, avoid special characters that might confuse carriers, and make sure the name on the address matches what a courier might check at pickup points. Finally, click Save Address. Wait for a confirmation or a brief success message, and check that the updated address now appears in the list. Before making your next purchase, glance at the address during checkout to confirm it's selected correctly. If anything looks off, refresh the page, clear your browser cache, or try the web version if you're on mobile. That's it, your address is now updated on Vinted, ready for smooth deliveries and account use.